Multiplying decimals is like multiplying whole numbers. What patterns can help you multiply decimals by powers of 10? A baker has a 10-pound bag of pecans and a 100-pound bag of flour. How many cups of each ingredient does the baker have? Why do you multiply to find how many cups of each ingredient the baker has? You need to find how many cups there are in 100 groups of 3 and 63 hundredths cups of flour, and 10 groups of 4 and 2/10 cups of pecans. So you multiply 3 and 63 hundredths times 100 and 4 and 2/10 times 10. Look at the examples in the table. What pattern do you see in the table? Do you think the pattern will continue? When you multiply a decimal by 10, 100, or 1000, you move the decimal point to the right the same number of places as the number of zeros in the 10, 100, or 1000. The pattern will continue because the place value system follows a pattern. Use the pattern to find 3 and 63 hundredths times 100, or 10 squared, and 4 and 2/10 times 10, or 10 to the first power. So 3 and 63 hundredths times 10 squared equals 363, and 4 and 2/10 times 10 to the first power is equal to 42. The baker has 363 cups of flour and 42 cups of pecans. Continue the pattern to find the number of cups for 100 pounds, 1,000 pounds, or 10,000 pounds of pecans. So, 100 pounds of pecans has 420 cups. 1,000 pounds of pecans has 4,200 cups. And 10,000 pounds of pecans has 42,000 cups. When you multiply a decimal by 10 to the second power, 10 to the third power, or 10 to the fourth power, you move the decimal point one place to the right for each power of 10.
Now you know how to multiply decimals by powers of 10.